always have ventilation on the ready when you're working with fuel. Today I'm working with fuel. In the previous videos you've seen that I just put this together. Everything is all new and shiny and supple. And well, the damn sender doesn't work, and so today I was driving the car around and the goddamn thing sputtered nearly to a stop, and I managed to just roll it into the gas station near the shop. So you know what, we're not going to deal with this crap anymore. We're going to replace that sender. In the Milano, there's just not enough room here to get the damn sensor out. Like, you can get it like 3/4 of the way. So I'm going to try the old undo those buckles and tilt the thing out and see if I can tilt it. And if that doesn't work, then whatever, I'll just remove the whole damn tank. So you can see my revised routing for my tank breathing system here. You can see that hose up there, and it goes into here, and then it goes to a T, which goes to the normal breather. It used to end up here, and then it would go up where that goes. It goes up to the filler neck right there, right? So I added that one pipe that tees into here, so you can actually get a better fill because this is higher up than that. And so the theory behind all that was that I would be able to get a proper fill on the tank. So I know somebody asked about that, so that's how that was routed. That tee, honestly, I think that came from the intake manifold or the intake hose on either a GTV6 or Milano. I'm pretty sure it's 3/8 by 5/8 by half. It's just a T, dare I say. It's nylon, so they're fuel safe. And that was just a 3-way 3/8, just nylon T there. So hopefully we can get this fuel sender working. I've got some new toys to play with as well. I have a used fuel sender here sent to me from APE. The seal on it's pretty haggard, actually. It's pretty cracked and old. Yeah, well, that's pretty bad. So this may be one of those things that end up getting gooped. We'll see how the other seal is on the one that I have in the car. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a working fuel gauge soon.